Today I'm sharing an easy way to gift money, and more specifically, how to make this darling lei. Okay, the lei that I made in the video, I just used $1 bills, but I forgot to film how I folded them. So I'm using a $10 bill, but that lei is not made with $10 bills. That would be expensive. Anyway, so to fold them, you just fold them the short side of the bill, fold it back and forth like you would a fan. Okay, once you have it folded, take a really small piece of Scotch tape and attach it to one side of that fold, and then bring it over and attach it to the other side and fold it over so that they're attached, and then do the same on the opposite side. And it just makes these cute little rosettes, and then you have a little hole right here in the middle that you're going to attach the curly ribbon to. Let me show you how to do the rest.